Aryan City is the biggest township near Sai Baba Temple at Kalyan Bypass. It has 40 acres land parcel. It has two phases. Phase 1 is of 9 acres, which is already delivered. Phase 2 is of 16 acres, which is under construction. Phase 1. Now we are at phase 1. As you can see, this is phase 1, which is already delivered. These are 12-story towers with all the modern amenities. Also, it has the biggest clubhouse in this locality. As you can see, this is phase 2. It is in 16-acre land parcel. This is 15-story towers and it's close to Pazir. Now let's talk about infrastructure plans in and around Aryan City. There is proposed 200 feet ring road which connects Nashik highway to Gudbandar road near Muchala college. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो कि फेज़ 1 एंड फेज़ 2 के बीच से ही रिंग रोड जा रही है. इसके अलावा मेट्रो प्रोजेक्ट भी आ रहा है आर्यन सिटी के सामने. माजीवाड़ा से भिवंडी तक का काम हो चुका है. भिवंडी से लेके कल्याण तक का अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन में है मेट्रो का काम. टेमगढ़ के सामने ही है आर्यन सिटी. Now we are at the lobby of phase 2. Let's have a look to the sample flats of 2 BHK. Now we are in sample flat of 1 BHK. The carpet area of 1 BHK is 529. Now let's have a look to the rooms. So we are starting with the kitchen. This is the kitchen and balcony is here. And this is the living room. Here is the dining area. Now we'll see washroom. This is the wash area. Also we'll get dry balcony. On this side is the toilet. This is the bedroom and here is the wardrobe space. Now we are in 2 BHK. The carpet area is 791. This is the living room. Here we are in kitchen, dry balcony. Now let's see the other rooms. On this side is the common washroom and here is the common bedroom. And now we are in master bedroom. Here is the balcony. Washroom attached to the master bedroom. About the payment plan. As we have units available in ready possession and in different timelines in December 2025. So here we have construction linked payment plan where you have to pay approximately 40 to 45% in the first year, 30 to 35% in second year, 30 to 35% in the third year. And for ready to move in properties, you have to do the payment immediately. We have tie-up with all the banks for home loan and customers here gets doorstep service for home loan. हमने एक्सप्लोर किया आर्यन सिटी प्रोजेक्ट। अगर आप कल्याण बाईपास के पास में घर देख रहे हो तो आपको आर्यन सिटी प्रोजेक्ट भी देखना चाहिए, क्योंकि इनका लोकेशन अच्छा है, आने वाले इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी प्लान्स अच्छे हैं, पोजीशन भी इनका टाइम पे है, कनेक्टिविटी इज़ ऑल्सो सुपर एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि आपको ज़्यादा कारपेट रीजनेबल प्राइस में मिलेगा। वैसे तो आप गृह मेला के साथ है ही, तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर तो बनता है।